Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 7th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So gold did make a really nice entry this morning. I was talking about keep an eye out for the 50 and the 61%. I was thinking the 61% could be the level, but it ended up respecting the 50%, which I don't really care which level it respects. Definitely a really nice one, two, three-way pullback to a Fibonacci retracement level. Nice engulfing move to the upside. Now, if this is really wave A and this is really wave B, that means we're in a wave C right now. Taking it up to the 4 hour time frame is where you can start to see the targets for wave C, potentially the 61 or the 78%, I think would be a likely target if this ABC correction is already over. Gold does like to make more complex corrections, like stuff like this sometimes. So we'll definitely have to keep an eye on it to see if it does do something like that. But as of right now, it definitely looks like three ways down. It looks like impulsive up. So I definitely would be looking for pullback entries on the 1 hour time frame and below, hopefully for the continuation of what is likely a wave C on the 4 hour. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.